Today is the 9th of March, Monday, at our dock. This client is a long-term customer. Use our industrial indoor 8 horsepower ACS. Our 8 horsepower industrial indoor AC units. It spans 300 square meters or 900 cubic meters. Uses only 6 kWh. Lowers workshop temperature by 15-20 degrees Celsius. Within an effective range, maintains 24 to 28 degrees Celsius. And produces no moisture during cooling. PVC water pipes link indoor and outdoor units, enabling easy setup and removal, replacing several conventional AC units. Broad cooling. Its water-cooled heat dissipation system uses half the power of standard air conditioners. If your workshop is hot and stuffy, to reduce power consumption, our AC offers ideal industrial energy saving.